In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TC2000 Print Chart. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to get a clear, printable copy of any chart from your screen onto paper with reliable results. First, get the chart on your screen exactly how you want it to appear on paper. Make sure the ticker, time frame, indicators, and layout are set. If there's any panel you don't need, hide it now so it doesn't take up space in the final image. Next, right-click anywhere on the chart area. This opens a context menu specific to the chart. From that menu, choose Save, then select Image of Chart. This tells the platform to capture only the chart itself, not the rest of the interface. A save window will appear with options for width and height. This is where resolution matters. A higher resolution produces a sharper print, especially on larger paper. As a rule of thumb, aim for at least 1,700 pixels. If you plan to print on letter or A4 size and want crisp text and lines, consider going higher, like 1,600 by 1,000 or even 2,000 times 1,200. Keep the aspect ratio locked so the chart doesn't look stretched. Increasing both dimensions proportionally preserves the layout and readability of price bars and labels. When you're happy with the size, click Save. Choose a folder on your computer where you'll easily find the file and give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. The image is typically saved in a common format like PNG or JPG, which works with virtually any image viewer or printing app. Now open the saved image in your default image viewer. On Windows, that might be Photos; on Mac OS, Preview. With the image open, go to File, then Print. In the Print dialog, check the preview to make sure the chart isn't cut off. If it looks small or extends past the page, use the Scale or Fit to Page option so it fills the sheet without cropping. Choose the correct orientation. Landscape often works best for wide charts. And verify your printer settings, such as paper size and margins. If you want the cleanest result, select a higher print quality setting and uncheck any automatic enhancements that might alter colors. When everything looks right in the preview, click Print. Your chart will come out with the resolution and layout you set, matching what you saw on screen. That's all there is to it. Save the chart as an image, set a suitable resolution, then print from your image viewer for crisp, consistent results.